Hey, what's poppin'? How you guys doing today? So today I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you're trying to load up Mordern Warfare 3 on the PlayStation 5, and while it's loading up you get a black screen. So you want to go to your settings and then you want to scroll down to screen and video. Then under video output, you want to scroll down to VRR. You want to make sure this is turned off. If that doesn't fix the problem, scroll down to 120 Hz output and change that to off. If that doesn't fix the problem, go down to ALLM and turn that off. By changing these three settings, it should fix the problem where you get a black screen when loading up Call of Duty Mordern Warfare 3 on the PS5. If this video helps, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.